Hello everyone, I am Arpit Kumar Sharma and welcome back to Pabbly. So today I am going to tell you how you can email unique coupon codes to users subscribing via website form. Now, you must have paid attention to several websites or several people or several companies who are giving you coupon codes through emails, through SMS, through WhatsApp. So from where those coupon codes come from. Have you ever paid attention to that? Now I am going to teach you, if you are doing some business or if you wanted to create automatic coupon codes for your company and you want to send it to your users or your customers, how you can do that. Now this automation is going to be very useful and very exciting. So just pay attention to this because I am going to explain you how it's done, and it's very easy. So what we are doing, we are first having a form submission through Elementor because we are going to embed in our website. Then from Google Sheets, what we will do, as soon as the person will do the form submission, he will be sent to the Google Sheets, or I should say that the details will be sent to the Google Sheets and the details will be saved to the Google Sheets with the coupon code. Now how the coupon code will be created, I am going to show you in the video. Then what will happen, that person will automatically be added into the Zoho CRM as a contact, and then an automatic mail will be sent from our Zoho mail to his email. Now to do this automation, we are going to use an integration and automation software service, Pabbly Connect, which will help us connect Elementor, Google Sheets, Zoho CRM and Zoho mail together. Now if you want to learn how to automatically create these magic codes, coupon codes, so you have to come with me to the screen. And we are back at our screen. So now what we have to do, we have to go to the address bar and type in Pabbly, pabbly.com/connect. And as soon as we will do that, we will be redirected to this screen here. And now what we are going to do, we are just going to click on sign in. But before that, let me tell you, if you already have an account, you can go for sign in. But if you do not have an account, you can just go for sign up. Signing up is absolutely free, and we are also giving you 100 free tasks every month from our side. So let's just go for sign in because I already have an account here. So here you can see I have the option of logging in. So I'll just directly log in. And after that, you can see here I have my softwares. Now I am just going to go for access now on Pabbly Connect. And here what I'm going to do, you will see that I have a lot of automations already set up here. And now I'm going to make a new automation. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to click on create workflow. And now here I'm just going to give the name of the workflow. Now what I am doing here, I am connecting my Elementor form to Zoho CRM and Zoho mail. Okay, so I am doing this. You can name it whatever you want to. I am just naming it this. Now I'm just going to click on create. And after clicking on create, you can see I have two windows here. First one is trigger and second one is action. Now trigger window is the window where an event is happening at the start of the process, and action window is the window where an event is happening at the end of the process or when the final event is happening. So trigger means when this happens, action means do this. Now here what we are going to do, first we are going to take the Elementor form, because first we are going to have the form submission here. So let's just go for new form submission, and here you can see this is the webhook URL. Now what is this webhook URL? Webhook URL is the URL which will help us connect our Elementor form with our Pabbly Connect account, so that whenever there will be something inserted in our Elementor form, we will have a response here in Pabbly Connect account. So what I will do, I will just click on capture webhook response, and now it is waiting for the webhook response. So I'll just copy this webhook URL, and here you can see how you can do that. Follow these steps, go to your website and inside Elementor, edit the form you want to get integrated. Under actions, after submit, add webhook, open the webhook toggle and enter the webhook URL you copied above. Save the page and go to live version of the page. Now submit the form. This sends the webhook to Pabbly Connect. So let us just go to WordPress, and here you can see I have this Elementor form with me. If you want to have an Elementor form, you can just go and install it in your WordPress. And now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to click on posts, and then I will click on add new. So what will happen, as soon as I will go here in add new post, I will just go here and I will type in Zoho form. Okay, and now add it with Elementor. Now as soon as I will do that, you will see that a new window will open here where we are going to use the Elementor form. And here I'm just going to create a form quickly for you. So let me just go for form, and let me just drag it here. So here you can see this is my form. Okay, I already have a form here, so let's just delete this. And this is my form here. So what we are going to do, we are just going to edit this form. So here you can see name. I'm just going to put here first name. Okay. And now what I'm going to do, you can see this is the first name. I'm also going to put one more field here, which is last name. So add item, label, last name, because we need first name and last name in our Zoho CRM and Zoho contact. So that is why I'm taking first name and last name, separately. So you can see this is the first name, and then I have last name. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to drag this. I'm really sorry for that. I'm just going to drag this up, and last name is here. Email, and at the place of a message, I'm just going to type in phone number. Okay. So you can see this is the field, and here what I'm going to do, you can see this is first name, last name, email, and phone number. Now what I'm going to do, I am going to connect this form to my Pabbly Connect account. And how I am going to do that, I am going to use webhook URL. Now for that, what I am going to do, now here, what we have to do, we have to click on our form which we want to use. So this is our form. And as soon as we will click on our form, you can see this is the field we will get here. And here you can see actions after submit. So here you have to cancel this email and collect submission. And then you have to select webhook. And here we have to paste the webhook URL that we copied from Pabbly Connect account. So just copy this webhook URL. Go to your form and paste it here. Okay. Now what we have to do, we have integrated our form with this webhook URL. Now we are just going to click on publish. And now as soon as we will click on publish, you will see that this is the new form which we have here. And as soon as I will fill this form, what will happen, that I will have a webhook response here in my Pabbly Connect account. So let's just do this first. First name is Arpit. Last name is Sharma. And now email, so I am using a valid email, which is my email, the socialfever2020@gmail.com. Okay. Now what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to use my phone number 9876545678. This is just a dummy number here, and I'm going to click on send. Now as soon as I will click on send, you will see the form was sent successfully. And here in Pabbly Connect account, we have this information of the form which we just filled in. Arpit Sharma, the socialfever2020@gmail.com, phone number, form ID, and form name. Now what we are going to do, we are going to choose a feature from Pabbly, which is a date time formatter. Now why am I choosing date time formatter? Because I want the current date when the form is being filled or when the form has been filled. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to use the feature current date, and then I will click on connect. And here I have to use the format, or I should say I have to choose the format. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go here, and I am going to take this format here: year, month, date, time, RR, and sorry, date, RR, minute, second, Z. Now why am I taking this? I will tell you in the later steps. So let's just click on save and send test request. And as soon as we will do that, you can see we have this date time here, 2022 3/19 T 5:54:47 plus 0:00:00. Now what I'm going to do, in my next step, I am again going to take the date time formatter here. And now what I am going to do, I am going to choose format date only. Now what I am doing here, I am formatting the date to a new format so that we will have a coupon code. Okay. Now why am I doing this? Here, what I will do, I will just go for date time formatter and map in my date here. Now what I'm doing here, I am just using a technique which is called mapping, and mapping will let me take the data from this window here, and it will let me put the data here in this window. Now from format to format. So here what I'm doing, I am using a format of timestamp. So you can see this is the timestamp. And now whenever I will use this timestamp and I will click on save and send test request, my current date will be changed to this format, and this is the result. Now what will happen, that this result will be used as a coupon code to the person who will give us the sorry, who will fill up the form, okay, and give us the details. So this is the result, and we are going to use this result. Okay. So now what we are going to do, we are going to add another step where we are going to put all these details in a Google Sheets. So we are just going to choose Google Sheets, and here we are going to select the event add new row. And now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to connect the Google Sheet, but first let me open the Google Sheets because I have not opened my Google Sheets here. So wait a second. So now I have opened my Google Sheets here, and you can see this is the sheet, and here you can see that I have the fields name, email, mobile number, and coupon code. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to map in the fields of this. First, let me just connect this Google Sheets here. So let's just go for add new connection, connect with Google Sheets, and here click on Ashirai. Because I have my Google Sheets in this account, click on continue. And as soon as we will click on continue, we will see that our Google Sheets is now here. I can select any Google Sheets here. I am just currently working on subscriber. So I am just selecting this Google Sheet, subscriber, select sheet. The name of the sheet is coupon. You can see it here. Now name. Now again, I am going to use the technique mapping. And here I am just going to map in the first name. And I think we should have two fields here. So what I am going to do, I am just going to put first name here. And I am just, okay, I'm really sorry for this. Insert one column left. And here I am going to put last name. Okay. So first name, last name, email, mobile number, and coupon code. So let me just go back and refresh it. Connect it again. And you can see now I have first name, last name also. So I'll just go for first name, which is Arpit, last name, which is Sharma, email, which is social fever, the social fever 2020@gmail.com. Mobile number is 98765454678, and coupon code. So what is this coupon code? We just got a timestamp format here, which is this one. So this is the coupon code. So I'll just go for coupon code here, and I will map in the result here. So this is now our coupon code. Now click on save and send test request. And as soon as you will click on save and send test request, you will see you will have a new response in your Google Sheets. And here you can see Arpit Sharma, the social fever 2020@gmail.com, mobile number and coupon code. Now what we are going to do, we are back at our Pabbly Connect account. Now we are just going to add a new step where we are going to create a new contact in our Zoho CRM. So we will just go for Zoho CRM. And then here what I am going to do, I am just going to create a contact. So I'll just click on create contact. Now I'll just go for connect, add new connection, connect with Zoho CRM. Now it is asking for the domain of your Zoho account. So you can see zoho.com, zoho.com.au. So I'll just go to my Zoho CRM, and here I will see for my account, which is zoho.in. So I'll just copy this from here. I'll go back and I'll paste it in here. Okay. And click on save. Now you can see here, either you can accept or you can reject. But if you want to Pabbly Connect to work with your Zoho account and successfully trigger your automation, what you have to do, you have to give it the authorization by clicking on accept. So after clicking on accept, we are going to go, and here you can see lead source is advertisement. So lead source, what is lead source? These are the lists here. And here you can see these are the two contacts I have, Prachi Parekh and Utkarsh Sharma. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go back here, and now lead source. So what will be the lead source here? I'm doing an advertisement through form, so I'll just keep it advertisement. Now here again, I'm going to map in the first name, which is Arpit, and last name. So last name is Sharma. Now here email is the social fever 2020@gmail.com. And title, if you want to give any title, it is up to you. If you do not want to give any title, it is up to you. I do not have any title, department or something like that in my form, so I'm not going to fill it. Phone number, yes, I have phone number, so I'm just going to use this number here. Fax, mobile, date of birth, assistant, I did not have these fields in my forms. But if you want to make a form like this, you can make a form like this so that people can insert all these things as well. Now click on save and send test request. And as soon as you will click on save and send test request, you will see the data code is success, which means our contact has been made here. Let me just go and refresh this. and our contact must come here in this CRM by the name Arpit Sharma. And you can see this is the name Arpit Sharma and this is the email thesocialfever2020@gmail.com. Now I'll just go back here in my Pabbly Connect account. And now what I'm going to do, the final part is now we are going to send an email to this person through our Zoho mail, and he will get the coupon code in the form of timestamp format, and that would be used for his deal, okay, where he can avail the discount or where he can avail the particular type of deal or where he can avail anything which we are giving him as a reward. Now what we are doing, send email. So let's just click on connect, add new connection, connect with Zoho mail. Now it is asking me for the Zoho mail domain. So here also I have zoho.in. So I'll just click on zoho.in, copy this, go back, and here I will paste it. And then I will click on save. Now here again I have to give it the authentication, click on accept, and let me tell you, Pabbly Connect does not take any chances with your data, and your data with Pabbly Connect is 100% safe. You know, you do not have to worry about your data. Now here account ID is Zoho mail. Now so to whom we are sending this coupon code? So we are going to send this coupon code to thesocialfever2020@gmail.com. We are not going to use this now from. So from is us, and now we have to enter our own email address. So I'll just go here in Zoho mail and I will copy my email address, parkerdevin289@gmail.com. I'll go back here, and here I will just click on parkerdevin289@gmail.com. Now subject is coupon code, okay, and content type, now body is hello and welcome to Pabbly Connect. Now hello, and here I'm going to map in the name Arpit Sharma. Hello Arpit Sharma and welcome to Pabbly Connect. Here is your coupon code for lifetime deal of Pabbly Connect. And here I'm going to map in the coupon code. Let me just put a full stop here and let me make this H capital. And now I'm just going to map in the coupon code here. So what was our coupon code? This is our coupon code. So here is your coupon code for lifetime deal of Pabbly Connect. Thank you for trusting us with your automation needs. Okay. Now here what we are going to do, no, I do not want to ask about the receipt, and now I will just click on save and send test request, and as soon as I will do that, you will see that I will have a new mail. It is taking some time, it's okay, and it is telling me an internal error. So let me just see what happened wrong here. So let me just see what is wrong with this. We are Zoho mail, send email, Zoho mail, email from. Okay, I'm really sorry, friends. This is a mistake from my side. I have, mistakenly written parkerdevin289@gmail.com. So it would not be gmail.com. It would be Zoho mail. So it would be like this, parkerdevin289@zohomail.in. So it was my mistake. Please do not do these type of mistakes, because you can do these type of mistakes when you are copying directly from your Zoho mail account, which is this parkerdevin289@gmail.com. So it happens, but now it is correct, and please make sure that you do not make these types of mistakes. Now just go back and click on save and send test request again, and I hope it would be successful now. And yes, it is successful. So you can see status code is this, status description is this. Now let me just go to the Gmail and let me just show you we have that or not. So this is my account, thesocialfever2020@gmail.com. And here you can see I have a new message from parkerdevin289. Then this is the coupon code. Hello Arpit Sharma and welcome to Pabbly Connect. Here is your coupon code for lifetime deal of Pabbly Connect. And this is the coupon code. Thank you for trusting us with your automation needs. So friends, this is how you can create automatic coupon codes for your offers and send it to people on their email addresses by using Zoho Mail, because I'm using Zoho Mail. You can use any mail. It is not necessary that you use Zoho Mail only. And it is also not necessary that you use Elementor form. You can use any form which can be embedded in your website. But these steps would be same, because if you would not use date, you won't be able to generate a coupon code automatically. So just to generate the coupon code by using date time formatter and in the timestamp format, so that that coupon code can be sent to people on their email. Okay, so this is how you can do this automation, and I hope you loved this automation. And if you want to clone this automation, you can just go into my description box and clone it into your account. For that you need an account, and for that you need to go and sign up. Signing up is absolutely free, and we are also giving you 100 free tasks every month. So what are you waiting for? Go and sign up now. Hasta la vista. So thanks a lot for watching our video. I hope you understood everything. Now, if you want any other events to edit in our module, what you can do is you can mail us at admin@pabbly.com. If you have any queries regarding this software, you can just ask your queries at this website, at this link. And if you want to check the prices, you can visit here to this link and check the prices of the software. Now, I just want to tell you that automation is a boon for us, and it can change the future. And I will suggest you to take this as quickly as possible, which will ease your task, save your time, and save you a lot of efforts. Thank you.